Hi, I'm Joan Lok. A student of mine sent me questions on how certain techniques are used, and that inspired this next workshop. Um, she sent me photos of various artwork by a particular artist, and in the artwork, all of the color used is only ink, and then this really dark background with a white owl sitting on branches or maybe a pine tree glowing in a dark background. She wants to know, what kind of resist did they use? It's only from a photo of that she sent me digitally, so I'm unable to actually see the real album or the actual artwork. But then from my speculation is probably there's no resist being used. It's actually what we call the traditional way of doing white, which is the white of the paper. And that would mean negative painting. So in this particular workshop, we're going to do negative painting on size paper with ink only, and we'll focus on painting things that almost glow in the dark. And in this workshop, I plan to do two things. The first one would be a pine tree that kind of grow in the dark, and I added a moon to it. And then another one would be an owl sitting at night watching because that's when the predators is looking for the prey at night. And so the second one would be an owl sitting on a branch in a forest at night looking out. So in is this workshop, we're going to do a growing pine tree and also our sitting, waiting for the prey. And it won't be ink only and lots of negative painting. I hope you will join me in this particular workshop. We will really work on negative painting and work on how the tricks of how to do it and the gradation and things like that. So I hope you will join me in this particular challenging negative painting Sumi artwork. Thank you. Bye bye.